Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut my bangs at home by myself. I feel like I always get so many questions about my bangs when I have them. So hopefully this clears up some of that for you. I'm also planning on filming a video about how I style my bangs when I wear my hair curly as well, so that will be coming shortly. Just a little disclaimer, I am in no way a professional, so I don't know if this is the correct way to cut your bangs, but it works for me. Before I get started, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you are not missing any of my Vlogmas videos. I'm going to be uploading one video a day, so you're not going to want to miss it. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on. Let's roll the footage. Good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing well. I woke up this morning and I was like, today is the day we're going to cut my bangs. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I have pulled back most of my hair and only left the shorter layers that I had cut last time I was at the salon. So this is what we're going to start off with. I have this little like triangle shape up here. So I'm going to section this off even further. Just to start off with. Is that even? Just trying to see if this is even or not. So now from here, I'm going to start cutting. Obviously my curls are stretched right now, so I do want to leave these slightly longer and then I can trim them as I need to. I'll probably end up cutting them a little bit shorter eventually, just because most of the time in the winter and the fall I like to wear my curls stretched. Now from here, one more time, I'm going to section off a little more on each side and cut this the shortest. So just to quickly recap, we want to make sure we are working in this triangle shape and just sectioning off pieces so we're getting a more graduated look as opposed to just something very choppy, because we want those different lengths, or I like those different lengths throughout my bangs, or curtain, fringe, or whatever you want to call this. I'm just going to very gently just taper them off just a touch. So I recommend cutting a little bit less than you think you'll want in the beginning. So like realistically, I probably do want my bangs to be slightly thicker. I do have to style them too. This part is killing me. I'm now out of the shower. As I've mentioned a few times on my channel, I usually do like my wavy hair routine over the course of like 2 days. So I'll just show you guys like the prep work. I know I've shown this before, but obviously with bangs, it is a little different. I didn't cut my bangs too thick, so once my hair does dry after today, sorry, I'm looking for like a hair tie or something. How do I not have one hair tie over here? Once your bangs are separated from the rest of your hair, and I also like to include these like outer pieces too, you want to take something like a comb. Actually, this one isn't even like fine enough. I would prefer something a little bit finer. You want a brush that is going to really not pull, but like flatten out your hair. So this brush is good because it has a lot of bristles. You just want to make sure that you're brushing from underneath, trying not to let your part come through too much since this is like a curtain fringe. And then I'll just pick the side that I want to clip them on first, because we are going to switch it, and I'll just kind of brush it over one way, twist the hair a little bit at the ends, and then I'll just take a clip or something. I like these because they are flat. And I'll just slide this in like that, and then at this point I can kind of do whatever I want with the rest of my hair and let it dry into my wavy style. If you are curious how I style my curls into waves, stretch them out with no heat, I will link all of those videos because I do have a few showing different techniques. It is now the third day we have working on the bang situation. I just woke up, so my hair looks crazy, but I was looking back at old pictures and I realized that my bangs were a lot thicker, like I had taken more hair, and I do like that thicker look. So I think we're gonna cut some more bangs. And I wanted to show you guys this too, because I just wanted to show you guys that even I have no idea what the F I'm doing, and I'm still doing it. Probably going to be a mistake. Let's try this. Just gonna go right in there. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go through one more time and like clean this up once my hair doesn't have these like crazy divots in it for me sleeping, but I'm just being honest with you guys. I just want to show you the actual process of this. Since I do like those longer framing pieces at the end of the bangs, I'm just going to section off a little bit more. All right, let's see what this looks like. Mostly even, pretty good. Okay, cool. And now with thicker bangs, so let me re-wet this, restyle, and then hopefully we don't have to do any more adjustments and the final bang look will be revealed.